tomatoes. I think there'll be peppers. What else is over here? Let's take a look. These little golden gems are so sweet. They're like candy. They're really good raw, just the way they are, but they're also amazing, just blistered on the barbecue or in the oven in a pan. We're gonna do an open-faced avocado, jalapeno, tomato, corn toast situation. So when you're making toasts, to have a baguette in the freezer is always a great thing to have on hand. Thaw it off, pop it in the oven, or you can just create little toast croissants, slice it on an angle. It looks prettier, looks fancier. And this can just go on a cookie sheet with a little bit of olive oil drizzle. Salt. I like the Malden flake sea salt for stuff like this because then you get the crunch. Pop these in the oven and then you have your little toasts. And those are gonna go in the oven at 350-ish for 10 minutes. So for this toast, we're gonna do an avocado smash and we're gonna do oven roasted tomatoes and oven roasted corn. These were just picked. You can use grape, cherry, tomatoes, mix and match whatever colors. Pop the greens off. Oven roasted dish. Throw it in the oven with a bit of salt on it. Having a good quality olive oil in a pantry is kind of key because I'm a salt, pepper, and olive oil cook. And we'll let those blister. Pull them out in about 15 minutes. At this time of year, corn is everywhere. And at about day 30, we're starting to run out of ideas what to do with corn. So my favorite is straight up boiled. My second favorite is barbecued, but my third favorite is to create popcorn. We're gonna oven roast this. See what I mean about olive oil? It's on everything. Salt and pepper. We're gonna roast this until it actually starts to pop and goes a bit brown. It'll take about 20 minutes in the oven with some salt and pepper, and this is gonna go on top of our avocado toast with our tomatoes. So onto the avocado part of the avocado toast. The best part of making toasts is there's building blocks. You can add or subtract all the components. We have corn, tomato, avocado, jalapeno, or you can just do straight up avocado toast. So that avocado is in pretty good shape. Cutting it, rock back and forth, and twist. This one less perfect, such is life. Whack it and turn. Cut around the brown. Okay. We'll mash that up with some salt and pepper. And I'm always looking for a place to add one of my jalapenos. It's hotter than hell, so I'm only gonna cut in one. These are pickled jalapenos. You could also serve those on the side. Da, 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 da. I'll add one. I think I'll chop it up. Don't forget to wash your hands after you cut jalapenos, and remember, it's the seeds that make it hot, not the skins. Okay, now our toast will be ready, and we'll put this on. Check our corn and our tomato, and we're ready to eat. It's all about a few good quality ingredients and stuff you have on hand. Avocado, bread, corn, tomatoes. So it's not perfect, but it is delicious, and that's what this is all about.
Hi, this is Trish Magwood. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for recipe ideas, food inspiration, and simple home tips. Also go to Trish Magwood on Instagram for food and lifestyle ideas and inspiration, or check out trishmagwood.ca.